Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to switch to dark mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! First, you want to head into settings. Then scroll down a little and enter display. At the top of display we have light and dark mode. All you want to do is simply switch to the dark mode. And as you can see, we are now in the dark mode itself. But of course you can always go into dark mode settings and then we can enable turn on scheduled if you want to have it automatically set up, for example from sunset to sunrise, or in a custom schedule based by in-device timer basically. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.